Good day guys, in this video I'll show you how to program your Samsung remote to your TV, whether it's a smart remote, a standard IR remote or a universal one. So guys, you need to start by powering on your TV manually using the button on your TV. Your remote needs the TV turned on before pairing or setup can begin. And then you just hold your remote close to your TV and you press the return button and play/pause at the same time for about 3 or 5 seconds. So as shown on this screenshot, as you can see, this is our return button and this is our play/pause button. And you should see a message on screen saying connecting to Bluetooth device. Once the pairing completes, your smart remote will control the TV automatically. If it doesn't connect, replace the batteries and try again closer to the TV sensor. If your remote has a setup or TV button, press and hold it until the LED stays on. Now enter one of these common TV Samsung codes, 0019 56 60 0702 or 0178. When the light turns off, test by pressing power. If it turns off, your remote is now programmed. Also, if you don't know the code, hold the TV button until the LED stays on, then press power repeatedly every few seconds until the TV turns off. When it does, press enter to save the working code. And that's pretty much all you need to know to program your Samsung remote to your TV. If you still have issues, reset the remote by holding the return plus guide buttons for a few seconds and try again. Otherwise, thanks for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple tech guides.